Hi, today we're going to cook some country style pork ribs in the Dutch oven. And so what I have here is, it's funny, we're in Lava Hot Springs. This is Jenny and I's second home, weekend home for now, but I didn't bring a lid lifter. I don't have like a charcoal tong or nothing. So, but what we're going to do is I have my 10-inch Dutch oven here, and we're going to cook these ribs slow at about 325 degrees. So I have 6 briquettes underneath. I'm just going to set this. I guess that'll be okay for a minute, but this is my lid lifter. Channel clamps. Never had to do this before. I thought I had some up here, but nope. Get that off. This was my very first Dutch oven, Camp Chef. So this is how it all started. I'm going to use my 8-inch for my lid stand. We'll just do that. But I have 4 country style ribs here. We're just going to set them in here. I'm going to cook this for about 2.5 hours total, so it'll be 3 coal changes. But we want to cook these slow to get them nice and tender. We'll just put them in, and then I'm going to, this is some pepper. Yeah, feels nice. It's I think it's in the 40s today. It's real bright outside with the snow on the ground, but it's beautiful. Feels like about 60, but yeah, lovely. Do a little onion salt. And then just a little bit of salt. So with the 10-inch Dutch oven for 325, we have 6 briquettes on the bottom. And we want 19 on top. And I counted just right, plus 1 extra. So I can just dump these out, and we'll just pull 1 off. I'm going to let that cook for an hour, and so we'll be back in an hour to see how. Okay, it's been an hour. Let's do a coal change. Let's see how these country style ribs are doing. But yeah, see, those briquettes are just little nuggets now. So I'm going to take a peek. But look at those. Those are cooking up pretty dang good. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to set this down here out of the way because I want to shake these coals into my thing there. And let's get some new briquettes. I've never used these for a lid lifter. They work pretty good. I've seen it before, but yeah, we'll just do the, let's scoot these out of the way so we don't have a big pile of ash. Put 6 on the bottom. Make a little circle here. Right there, that's 7. Scoot 1 out. Yeah, we'll just make a little circle like that. Let's put these on, then I'm going to put just a little bit of sauce. Set that there. And I'm going to use, this is Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I just want to give it a little bit at this point. Sauce in there. Yeah, that smells good. I was thinking about maybe spinning them, but let's take a look at the bottom. Yeah, I think they're fine. They got all that liquid. So we'll just leave them like that, and they're still all seasoned up. I think they're good. So let's put the lid back on. Like I said, we're cooking these at 325. I think last take I said 16 on the top, but it's 13. So we have 6 on the bottom, 13 on the top. So this time we'll just do that. I'm going to let it go 45 minutes. And then after 45 minutes, we're going to put some veggies in there, a little more sauce, and we'll go from there. So we'll see you back. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. Let's do the last coal change. We're running out of daylight, and it's getting a little chilly, but I'll just do like I done last time. Let's get that off. Shake these in there. Ooh. Look at those ribs. Holy smoke. I guess I should have looked at those. Look pretty good. Did you see those, Jenny?
Yeah.
Let's move those coals up like that. And I'll get 6 more on the bottom. 4, 6. Get them in the circle, like that. Set this back. The leg keeps hitting that briquette. Let's just set that right there. And I'm going to pull these out because I want to drain that juice, but look at those red holes. They're falling right apart. We're going to cook these with some veggies, so it'll be even better. Yeah, look how they're turning out. Smells delicious. Let's set that right there. And we'll put that there, and I have some hot pads. I just want to drain this juice. Go like that. Cool. This is fun. Yeah, let's put these ribs. Man, this is awesome. Let's get these back in here. We're going to cook these for another 45 minutes at the 325, and that should be enough time to cook these veggies. But I just have some potato here I sliced up, some carrots, and some onion. But before I do that, let's put some more sauce, because you can never have too much sauce. So we'll just squirt this in pretty good this second go around. Get some on the bottom of the Dutch oven and coat it up pretty good. I probably think we got enough spice, so we'll just leave it at that. I'm just going to put these in here. Arrange all these veggies in here. That looks pretty dang good. Okay, and same as last time, 13 on top. 45 minutes and we'll be ready to eat. Look at them glowing orange coals. That's pretty cool. So there you go. We'll see you back. All right, after looking at this yummy juice I poured out and the way this looked, we're just back here in like 2 minutes, so this has only been going like 2 minutes since last take, but I'm going to put that back in because that looks pretty dang good. So, and it's smelling good. I'm just going to pour this right over the top slowly so it doesn't wash off my barbecue sauce. I think that'll work out great. So yeah, we shouldn't let that go to waste. So here we are. So we'll be back in like 42 minutes or so. So we'll see you back. All right, we're ready. Another 45 minutes. So we've been cooking this 2.5 hours. The sun's down, but let's check this out. Whoa. Look at that. It's all bubbly. Yeah, the shadows are messing with us, but that smells so good. Mm-hmm. Look, it's all bubbly down in there. Look at those ribs. I mean, I've cooked these country style ribs on the smoker, on the barbecue, but man, this Dutch oven has got to be the best. So I'm just gonna, there's some potato. Let me get some onion, carrot. Oh, this is so good. Yeah, and it's just, you know, we done 3 cold changes, but I mean, it's not bad. You know, it's fun. Or if you're camping, you know, you have a campfire, you can just use your coals off your campfire and just keep changing them while you're cooking these slow. So let me grab one of these. But yeah, this thing's about ready to fall apart. But let me set this. Let's cut it here, Jenny, and we'll go inside and do it where there's better light. Okay, let's do this. But yeah, I haven't even touched this since we brought it in. But it's like Jenny says, yeah, it smells just like bacon. But look at that. That's just falling apart. You know, slow cook. But yeah, this, and the smell. I bet the neighbors could smell this.
That means it's done.
That's the timer that means it's done. So I guess we jumped the gun, but yeah, this carrot, yummy. Then I just slice these potatoes, perfect, steamy. I cannot believe how good these country style, there goes the timer again, because you got to hit cancel, but we're okay. But yeah, these were so good. I mean, try these country style ribs. You can't beat it. In the Dutch oven, I mean, you've seen it. Awesome. Hot, hot, hot. Yummy. I hope you like this video. The products we use to cook this, the Dutch oven and stuff, will be in the description. The recipe will be in the description. Everything's in the description. So we'll see you next time.